to Study with Marsha YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about files and folders in a computer. Now this lesson is specially dedicated to all my grade 5 students. With this lesson we are going to learn how to create a new folder and how to drag and drop files into the folder. As well as that we are going to learn how to delete the files which you have inserted into your newly created file. So once after you create this folder, you can use it to store all your ICT projects that we are going to do in the near future. So once I am teaching you, I need all of you to carefully look at the video. After that, I will give you some time, and that time you can practice with me. Okay, so then let's get started. As the first lesson, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder to store our ICT projects. Okay, so let's get started. Before you creating your favorite folder, you need to find a suitable place for it. I like to create my folder on my desktop. So I'm going to right click here on the desktop. As you can see, then there will be a pop-up menu on your desktop. So from here we can select new, then folder. Alright, now we can give a suitable name for our new folder. I'm gonna put ICT projects. Okay, so now you can take time and create your favorite folder. Now for this you can use any place you like. If you want to use the desktop, click on the desktop. Or else you can use any other folders like downloads, documents, pictures or any other. Alright, so here see my favorite folder has been created. Now these folders are similar to a small clear bag. The way you are adding your papers and documents inside your clear bag, we can add computer files into our newly created folder. Let's see how to do it. First, double click and open your folder. As the first method, you can drag and drop the files from the place you need into your newly created folder. Now we can do it like this. I will drag a file like this and I will drop over here. Second method is you can copy and paste the files you need by using this way. Look at it carefully. I'm going to copy a file from my downloads folder and I will paste it into my ICT projects folder. First, let's open our downloads folder. Now like this, you can select the file that you need to copy. On the top, you should select the Home tab, then click Copy from there. Alright, now let's begin the pasting process. Okay, so let's find the folder that you need to paste. That means our ICT projects folder. And here on the top, you have the Home tab, and from there, let's paste our file. So you can see how easy is our process. Now let's look at the third method. Here I'm going to try copy and paste without using the Home tab. First, let's click and open our downloads folder. Then right click on the item you need to copy. Now remember, it should be right click, not left. Then we are going to select copy. Alright, now let's find out our ICT projects folder. Okay, then right click on the empty space. Finally, you can select paste. Here see, we got our copied files here. Alright, now I am going to delete some files from this. To do this, you need to click on the file that you need to delete. And then let's right click on it. After that, you can give delete. Finally, there is another way you can delete your files. Select the file you need, go to the Home tab, then you can select delete. Alright, now see we have two files inside our newly created ICT projects folder. I hope now you can separately identify the difference between a file and a folder. Okay, so with our next lesson, we are going to talk about file paths. That means your next lesson. So, see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.